Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. If you're new to my channel, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. If you're returning, thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the only printer that I use for my business. And I'm also going to be sharing with you why you should use this printer too if you have a business. The printer that I use is the Rollo Thermal Printer. I got this printer off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below if you want to purchase your compact Rollo Thermal Printer. As you can see, it's a very compact printer. This is the size of my hand compared to the printer. Now, I want to say the first benefit of this printer is the price. I got mine off of Amazon for $169.99 and it includes free shipping. Now, if you have Amazon Prime, you'll get it faster. So Amazon Prime is 1 to 2 business days. This printer is compatible with my 4x6 thermal printing labels. The thing about this printer is compatible with any thermal labels. I got these off of Amazon as well, and I'll leave a link in the description box below if you just want to go ahead and get your printer and your labels in the same place. These are the labels that I use. You can also use the labels that come on a roll. You can use smaller labels that are 1.57 inches all the way to 4.1 inches. And I'll show you the smaller labels that I use in my thank you card. The Rollo Thermal Printer is compatible with Mac or PC. You don't have to use toner or ink, which will save you a lot of money in your business. Now let me show you how versatile this Rollo Thermal Printer is. I use the thermal printer to save ink in my business and print out my invoices. This is what my invoices look like. Customizable. I put these in the packages when my customers order something. I don't want to use extra paper, extra ink. I just do everything with my Rollo printer. Now for my business, I also make custom invoices like these for my clients. So if you want 10 custom invoices for your business, stand out from your competition and tell your story visually, I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can order your custom invoices for your business. I also use this printer to print out my thank you notes that come in my thank you cards. And as you can see, these are smaller labels, but the printer also prints these out as well. And I do this because it just looks more presentable for my customers to actually read neat handwriting instead of trying to individually write out every thank you card. Overall, this printer is very reliable and it prints out labels fast. This comes in handy when you get a lot of orders in your business and you're short on time and you just want to print all the labels out in bulk. This printer will help you print out your labels super duper fast. And these are a few benefits of the Rollo Thermal Printer and why I only use this printer for my business. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.